Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Flights Explorer feature. So let's get straight into the video. So the Google Flights Explorer feature is an interactive tool for finding cheap flights when you are flexible on destination or dates. So in order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using. Once you've done so, simply go ahead and search for Google Flights. Just like so. Once you've done that, scroll a little down until you find the Google Flights option, which is going to be right over here. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and enter your departure location and then tap on explore on the top right over here. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on here, and then you can simply go ahead and tap on any month you want to travel, or you could also do next 6 months. It doesn't really matter. You can do weekend, 1 week, or 2 weeks. Simply go ahead and do done. And it will show you the prices and the flights, the hotel packages, and so on. So it is as simple as that. As you can see, if I choose to buy, it's going to show me the air ticket and then the hotel stays right over here, and then where to visit and how the weather looks like and so on. You can go ahead and check anything right here. So there's Hong Kong, there's Tokyo, there's Bangkok, and so on. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.